Welcome to this Aspect training session on maintenance tasks. In Aspect, maintenance tasks are spawned and displayed on the Actions board. You can think of the Actions board as a sort of digital whiteboard, where tasks are created, completed, and stored. Unlike a real whiteboard, these tasks never disappear once completed. They remain recorded against the tool or equipment for future reference. To create maintenance tasks, go to the Product Definition menu on the left side of Aspect, then select Equipment. The Equipment window will open showing your company's name on the left side. Now, expand the name to see Areas and Equipment, selecting the plus button to the left. If you have areas set up, they will now appear under the site. If no areas have been set up, you will see all the equipment or tools listed. The process for creating maintenance tasks is the same for tools and equipment. Expand the relevant area if one exists. Then, select the equipment you want to add a task to. The equipment details will now appear on the right side of the screen. At the bottom, you'll see three tabs: Properties, Actions, and Maintenance. The properties will be covered in a separate session. The Actions tab stores all actions related to the equipment, whether they were created manually or spawned from maintenance task. The Maintenance tab shows all maintenance tasks that have been created for that equipment, with no limit to the number of tasks you can create. To create a new task, click the Add button at the bottom of the window. The Maintenance task window will now appear. Firstly, confirm the equipment selected is correct. Then enter the task you want performed in the task field. Try not make the task description too long. You can set a priority level to highlight urgent tasks on the Actions board. If the task is assigned to a user with Send Action emails enabled in their user profile, they will automatically receive an email when the action is raised. Next, setting the task trigger. This defines when the tool or equipment tasks are spawned. With unmonitored equipment, meaning not connected to a PLC, task triggers can only be based on uptime hours or time periods. With monitored equipment with PLC connections, you can also use the cycle counts to trigger maintenance tasks. For example, you might want to trigger a task after 1,000 cycles, after 1,000 hours of uptime, or on a fixed schedule like daily, monthly, or annually. This makes it easy to plan maintenance for everything from production machines to forklifts and vehicles. The Continue task from option lets you choose between actual and planned. With actual selected, the count resets when the spawned task is marked complete in the action. With planned, the count resets from when the last task was spawned, regardless of completion. If you have an existing maintenance register, you can enter the date that the equipment was last serviced. Aspect will calculate how many cycles and uptime hours have passed since that date. As soon as a spawned task has been completed, the system will automatically update the last maintained date. Once all the criteria are set, select OK to save the task. To view and edit or complete tasks spawned against the equipment, open the Actions tab in the Equipment window. Double-click on an action and select the Edit button. Add any details of the work completed in the action box. This could be parts replaced or any specific tasks undertaken. To close the action off, select Complete from the status drop-down list and select Save. The task is now closed, but the record will remain linked to the equipment indefinitely. You can also find maintenance actions from the Actions menu on the left side of Aspect under the Production section. Filters allow you to search by user assigned or by source such as maintenance to find only maintenance-related tasks. Completed tasks can also be viewed by selecting Complete. Double-clicking any action will open it on the right side of the action window. If you select the Open button, this will take you directly to the Equipment window. On the Actions tab, all related actions open or closed will be shown. If a maintenance task needs to be removed, go to the Maintenance tab, select the task, and click Remove at the bottom of the window. With these tools, Aspect provides a powerful way to ensure all maintenance tasks are scheduled, tracked, and recorded, keeping your equipment in top condition and your records complete. This concludes our training on Aspect maintenance tasks. Check out our other training videos to keep building your skills. If you have found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe so you're always up to date with the latest Aspect training.